Hey everybody, it's Nick with City Rockhounding, and we're just at the Sandbox again today. They say it's supposed to rain in an hour or so, so let's see if that happens. I look forward to that. Not the greatest piece, but some unicate. Probably more granite than unicate, but still cool. Thought that was pretty. It's got a little banding lines in there. Pretty dark piece though. And just some yellow jasper. Well, it's definitely getting darker, so it's definitely going to be raining here. That's Michigan for you. Came across some horn coral. That's pretty cool. Then also Fabricites. That's pretty. All the way around there. Found a pretty cool red and green one here. Looks like the whole thing is green and it's got just a little bit of red in there. Nice. That's cool. Came across a couple more fossils here. Fabricites, otherwise known as Charlevoix stone or honeycomb coral. I like to call it Fabricites. And this is packstone. Just a bunch of brachiopods here, shells, all in here. You got the sun over there. You got more clouds rolling in over here. About another half hour or so. Should start to sprinkle on us. Build up to a storm. But now that's a piece of unicate. Awesome. That's beautiful. I love it. Sweet. So just found another big piece of Fabricites, which I'm excited about because I didn't see it. It was under the sand and I kicked it and tripped on it. Glad I did that. Storm's gonna be coming through here soon. That is cool. Well, thanks for tripping me. The wind is starting to pick up a little bit. Found a nice death plate here. chip. It's got some what looks like Alipora fossils in there, the little round circles. That's cool. I've been learning a lot about Michigan fossils lately. Found 2 more fossils here. I want to say horn coral, but I don't believe that's correct. Maybe one of them is. Maybe that one. Possibly that one too. I've been told that there's a couple different things that looks like horn coral. So I'll do a little bit more research on that. Found some more fossils. Well, fossil. That's cool. Nice. Not sure what that one is. It's hard to tell for me. Nice piece of yellow and red jasper there. That's cool. Also a piece of quartz. Looks like feldspar in there. I like to take all the quartz I find, even if I don't show them on video. Throw them in the flower beds. It's hard not to take them. Found a nice pretty, what looks like quartz, but it's got some other stuff in there. I don't know if it's showing up, but a bunch of purples and reds it looks like. So about another 15-20 minutes it should start raining, according to the Weather Channel. Just found 2 really cool pieces. Nice fossil. That's awesome. Have to do a little research on what that one is, but that's pretty. And also that is awesome. Definitely see a little banding around there with blue. That's sweet. I'm excited. Bunch of little pockets. Jeez, didn't even know that. Awesome. That's a beauty. What a great day. Well, the birds are starting to talk more, so I wonder if they're letting me know the rain's coming. Heard some thunder in the distance far out. Thought that was pretty. Some more blue there. Real pretty stuff. Found a nice piece of yellow jasper there. Stuff's pretty. Also, another fossil. Not sure what that is, but that almost looks like chain coral to me. Yep. That's cool. Nice. Definitely a lot of fossils here. It's got little quartz pockets in there. Favoricites. That's cool. And also, that's pretty sweet. Nice banded shirt there. That's a cool piece. Awesome. What a great day. Came across some more blue shirt there. That's pretty. I love the blue in there. That's so cool. This one I thought was blue, but it's more gray. Maybe a teeny bit in there. Starting to sprinkle a little. Came across another piece of Favoricites coral. A little bit of quartz in there. That's cool. Super pretty. Here comes the rain. Probably gonna have to put my phone away. I'll show you what I find when I get back to the house maybe. Unless it stops raining or I get underneath the tree here. Just taking a little break underneath some trees here. Just walked up the hill. You'd think with how many times I've done it that I'd be in shape by now, but definitely not. So we're just back here behind the hill at the top. Kind of circles around and goes back down. But I think I found probably a good spot to maybe dig. It isn't going to have a lot of traffic in it. And something where I can dig down really deep. You can kind of see this trail's mostly all sand here. A couple feet into the ground. So you got some deer tracks too. Maybe a dog possibly also. Alright, let's get back to it. See what kind of rocks we find. Rock hounding in the rain is a lot of fun. Definitely don't need a spray bottle. Looks like there's a little blue in there. This one's already cracked. Maybe I'll try and crack it a little bit more and see what exposes. Also, looks like another blue. Maybe that's just gray. Yep. Well, the rain is definitely helping out. Came underneath the tree again to show you a couple more. Nice fossil there. That's cool. Also, thought that had some pretty color to it. And check that out. That's cool. That's pretty sweet. You can tell by the lightning that it's right over the top of us now. It's peaceful. Making my way down the hill. The rain slowed down a little bit. Found a pudding stone. I'll take it. Found another one with a little bit of blue in it. It's pretty. Nice. The rain definitely helps. Found a little baby pudding stone. Just a little red jasper quartzite there. And also, just thought that was pretty. Had some cool color to it. Nice. Well, I'm super glad it's raining, otherwise I never would have found this. It was just in the bushes over here. Tosky stone. That's awesome. Super excited for that. No, it's definitely coming down now. This will make for a good day tomorrow too. Came across one more. A little bit of blue in there. Mostly gray, but that's cool. How about we let this wash out some more rocks and come back tomorrow? I think we did pretty well today. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. I know I'm soaking wet. Worth it though. All right. I hope everyone has a great day. Thank you. Bye.